So this is a video to accompany the Swede, ready to go with your haggis and your tatties for Burns night. So the rest of the techniques within the pattern are ones that you've done before, but what's quite unique to this design is the way that we make the stems for the leaves and then we put this detail on the top afterwards. So when you are making the stems, you're going to be splitting the stitches to create two of the stems, and then you will crochet this one separately and just sew it between the other two. Then when it comes to working around the outside of those stems, you've got that colour change marked in there as a circle. So all you're going to do is put your hook into the surface of the fabric like that, in between the round, and you work the stitches stated in the pattern directly into that fabric. So that's a double crochet. This would be a half treble. Then you double crochet in, and then slip stitch along. So that's what you're doing in order to add that detail onto the surface, is you're actually working it directly on afterwards. Now, when it comes to doing the leaves, it's a similar technique, again, using lots of different heights of stitch, and you're going to go directly into the stem. So we've made our stems in oatmeal, and then in order to put our leaves on, you'll be slip stitching down the stem like that. Attach your green on, slip stitch to chain to begin with, should I say, and then we'll be working directly into the edge of the fabric like that. Again, follow your pattern for the specifics of the leaves, but you're going to be doing different heights of stitch in order to create those classic Swede style leaves. We don't get to see them very often because we're all so used to in the supermarket seeing them chopped off like this. So enjoy making your Swede, and happy Burns night to you all. I can't wait to see your photos.